So this is going to be a really quick video. Let's say you're doing something that requires loops. I recently needed loops to do a crocheted flower tutorial. So say you're going to chain. See, chain, you wrap over, pull through, right? All a slip stitch is you're moving one point of crochet to somewhere else where you need it and tying it down. So say I want it in the fourth, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to put it in here. Slip stitch is that. Now it's attached. Okay. So it's exactly like a chain stitch, only that you're putting it in a specific place where you need it. So 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, fourth hook right here. We'll do our slip stitch. Is just pull through and pull through both. Okay. I'll do it once more. So there's a row of loops. There is 5 slip stitches in that. I hope that makes sense. And that's a slip stitch.